Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 10, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of November 8, 2023, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.03. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's prediction, with a gain of 0.57%. This means that, on average, the stock has returned 0.19% per day since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently following a wide and horizontal trend, indicating potential future movements within this range. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected -0.704% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between -8.62% and 5%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 57.47% change over the next year. This indicates a possible return between 47.61% and 72.47%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $195.72 to $228.67 after 12 months. Our latest daily update for Google brings good news. Google's stock price increased by 1.8% on Friday. On the last trading day, which was Friday, November 10, 2023, Google's stock price saw a gain of 1.8%. It rose from $130.24 to $132.59. Throughout the day, the stock had a fluctuation of 2.61%, starting from a low of $129.42 and reaching a high of $132.80. It's worth noting that the price has been on the rise for 8 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a total increase of 8.53% over the past 2 weeks. The increase in volume, along with the price, is a positive technical sign. In fact, 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, making a total of 24 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $3.15 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price of Google's stock reached $141.22, while the lowest price dipped to $84.86. Currently, the price is 6.11% or $8.63 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 94.59% or $2,316.33 below the all-time high, which was reached on June 14, 2021, when the price reached $2,448.92. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Google a perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, October 13, 2023, Macquarie gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, October 13, 2023, KeyBank gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, October 10, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Google an equal weight grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Google stock has been given a general buy rating. The PE ratio is rated as strong buy, and the price to book is also rated as strong buy. As for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for Google. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 8.53%. This rise indicates that there may be further gains until a new top pivot is found. Notably, the volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. However, there are some negative signals that should be taken into account, as they may impact the stock's short-term development. While the short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is higher than the short-term average, there is a negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $132.69. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $130.35. A break above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will strengthen the sell signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a sell signal. Pivots are indicating a buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal 11 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average is showing a sell signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is indicating a buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see that the short moving average is indicating a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average is showing a buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is indicating a buy signal 164 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we will be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Google. Google currently finds support from accumulated volume at $129.78. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as it is expected to trigger an upwards reaction when tested. This means that the stock could see a positive movement. When it comes to risk, Google has average movements throughout the day and boasts good trading volume. This puts its risk level at medium. Looking at the past day, the stock had a price range of $3.38, or 2.61%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.69%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Google, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's PE ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates predict earnings of $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Google. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $134.57. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this level could be a great opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $129.78. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Google has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. Shriram Kavitark Ram, a notable insider, has made the 5 most recent trades. In total, he bought and sold 983,900 shares or options in the company. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of -73.662. In these trades, insiders purchased 1,162,054 shares and sold 8,086,717 shares. We regret to inform you that our evaluation for this stock is negative and we have not set a stop loss. Is Google stock a good buy? Unfortunately, Google currently shows several negative signals, which leads us to believe that its performance will be weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 13th, we anticipate Google to open with a decrease of 99 cents, starting at $131.60. Before we dive into today's topic, it's crucial to remember that trading comes with a risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing this information, you acknowledge and assume full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're curious to know, what is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful trading content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.